Hello, thanks for being my learning partner in this video. This video is for class 10, chapter 1, MCQ. So, here we talk about some MCQ. HCF. First is find the HCF of two prime number. So, first of all, prime number. Prime number are both those number which has only two factor or which is divided by itself. Okay, so if we take 3 and 5 both prime number, so find the HCF of these two, which number divide 3 and 5 both. So from option here it is 1. Second, the LCM of two co-prime number. LCM of two co-prime number, co-prime number. If we take example of 4 and 5, these both are co-prime, so there is only one which divide 4 and 5. So here their LCM is 4 multiply 5 is equal to 20. That is product of two number. If HCF, third question, if HCF of two number is 4 and their product is 400, what is their LCM? So here we take the formula HCF multiply LCM is equal to product of both number. Product of both the numbers. Both the numbers. So here it is, product is 400 given and HCF is 4. क्या करेंगे, 100 divided by 4, so we got 100. Fourth question, the smallest number which when divided by 8 and 12 leaves the remainder 5 in each case. Leaves the remainder 5 in each case. तो यहाँ पे चेक करूँ कि कौन सा. ओके, इसके लिए हम एलसीएम ही ले सकते हैं इसका. एलसीएम 8 12 divided by 2 6 2 1 2 into 3. So here it leaves a remainder 5 in each case. So 24 is divisible by 8 and 12. 24 plus 5, 29. Here the answer is C, 29. Now we move to question number 5. Question number 5. Here it is. If LCM number is 84 and HCF is 2, the product of both the number. Again we use the same formula. Can HCF apply LCM equal to product of both the numbers. So here LCM is 84. F is find the product. So 168 is our answer. Find the HCF of 36 and 54. तो चेक करो कि HCF 36 and 54 तो क्या आ सकता है. फार्मूला next is find the LCM. 7th by 1 5 5 150 150. Eighth question is, if HCF of two number is 15 and LCM is 55, what could be their product? This is the same for HCF multiply L, product of number 15 by 20. तो चेक कर लो, लास्ट में 5 आना चाहिए आंसर के। चेक एट्थ के ए पार्ट में जो है, तो सी इज अवर आंसर, सी इज अवर आंसर इन 8. Question number 9. The HCF of 72 and 120 can also be divided. HCF, check करो HCF 72. HCF is 50. Question, find the HCF of 72 and 120 can also divide. HCF of 72 and 120. 70. Find the HCF. 72. We got H20 divide 44. Plus number divide both 18 and 24. Plus number that divide both that divisible by smallest number that divisible by 18 and 24. Smallest number that is divisible by 18 and 24. So here we find the LCM. Find the LCM of 18 is divisible. So we have to find the LCM. 9, 2, 72. In 10 answer is 70. Thanks for watching the full video. Thank you.